Yes, be ready. Start. In support of his contention, learned A.P.P. has relied upon a judgment delivered by the learned single judge of this court. Full stop. We have given our anxious consideration to the contention of the learned advocate appearing for both the parties. Full stop. We are of the view that the observation made by the Supreme Court in the case of N.M.T. Zoe (supra) to the effect that the order of remand has no bearing on the proceedings of the trial itself, nor it can have any effect on the ultimate decision of the case, was in the context of the main issue before the Supreme Court. Full stop. The main issue before the Supreme Court was as to whether an order of grant of remand is an interlocutory order or a final order, so as to make the revision application under section 397 read with section 401 of the code maintainable. Full stop. On plain reading of the judgment of the Supreme Court in N.M.T. Zoe (supra), we find that the only issue before the Supreme Court was as to whether an order of remand passed against the accused can be termed as an interlocutory order or a final order. Full stop. The Supreme Court, after considering the true meaning of the term interlocutory order and after considering the judgment of the Supreme Court in Madhulimaya (supra) and Amarnath (supra), held that if the remand is granted, then in that case the proceedings are not finally culminated, and what the Supreme Court has tried to convey is that the remand is a step in aid of effective and proper investigation. Full stop. If an accused is subjected to remand, all that happens is that he will remain in custody of the police for more than 24 hours, during which the accused is subjected to interrogation, so that the investigating agency can investigate the offense properly and collect cogent material to put the accused to trial by filing the charge sheet. Full stop. In this context, the Supreme Court held and observed that if the order of remand is passed, it will have no bearing on the proceedings of the trial itself or will have any effect on the ultimate result of the case. Full stop. However, in the present case, we are looking into the question as to what will be the effect if remand is refused, and thereby taking away right of the investigating agency to have an accused in police custody for more than 24 hours for the purpose of proper investigation. Full stop. As we have observed earlier, the Supreme Court has very much answered this issue in paragraph 10.1. Full stop. Overall.